The first gaming smartphone of 2021 has arrived. Nubia has unveiled the Red Magic 6 and Red Magic 6 Pro in China today. These are the company's first smartphones after a strategic partnership with Tencent Games to deliver a better gaming experience. The Red Magic lineup from Nubia has established itself as one of the leaders in the gaming smartphone world. The latest additions are the Red Magic 6 and 6 Pro. The Pro sports faster 120-watt charging, up to 18 GB RAM and 512 GB storage alongside a more aggressive design. The rest of the specs are identical across both models. The Red Magic 6 Duo are the first phones to launch with 165Hz refresh rate screens. They also pack the flagship Snapdragon 888 fan cooling. And they also run Red Magic OS 4, based on Android 11. The star of the show is undoubtedly the 6.8-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with its 165Hz adaptive refresh rate. When the screen is not showing dynamic content, it drops to 30 Hz, but it can quickly scale up to 120 Hz in menus or apps, and up to 165 Hz in supported game titles. The panel also supports a 360 Hz multi-touch sampling rate and up to 500 Hz one-finger touch sampling rate. The display supports 10-bit colors and also features a fingerprint scanner tucked below the screen. The signature touch-sensitive shoulder triggers make a return on this year's Red Magic 6 and 6 Pro and now support 400 Hz touch sampling rate for minimizing input latency. Another Red Magic staple, the active cooling air fan, is also present and now spins at up to 18,000 RPM on the Red Magic 6 and 20,000 RPM on the Pro to help keep thermals in check. Both models are also outfitted with several copper heat sinks that further boost cooling. Around the glass back we find a triple camera setup headlined by a 64MP primary camera. There's also an 8MP ultrawide snapper and a 2MP macro cam. The Snapdragon 888 on the Red Magic 6 series is paired with speedy LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. The top-of-the-range Red Magic 6 Pro Transparent Edition comes with a whopping 18 GB RAM and 512 GB storage. The battery on the Red Magic 6 is 5050 mAh and supports 65-watt fast charging, which does a full top-up in 38 minutes. The 6 Pro downscales capacity to 4500 mAh, but offers 120-watt charging, which can do a 0 to 50% charge in just 5 minutes. Both models come with headphone jacks and are compatible with Nubia's optional air cooling accessory. These are the pricing details for both the models. Pre-orders in China are already live, while first sales are scheduled for March 11. We also got confirmation that the Red Magic 6 series is coming to global market soon. So yeah, the first gaming phone of 2021 is definitely packing a punch. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for further future leaks.